Iceland's black sand and yellow river, nature's hidden wonders. Black sand beach. Black sand beaches form from volcanic activity. Lava cools, breaks into fine grains, and waves spread it along the shore. These beaches are rare and stunning. The most famous ones are in Hawaii, Iceland, and the Canary Islands. The black sand feels smooth but can get hot under the sun. Walking barefoot is possible but can be uncomfortable in the afternoon. The contrast between dark sand and blue water is breathtaking. Tourists love taking photos here. These beaches support unique wildlife. Small crabs, sea turtles, and certain seabirds thrive here. Some black sand beaches, like Punaluu in Hawaii, are protected because sea turtles nest there. Swimming depends on the location. Some have strong currents, while others are safe. Always check local signs. The experience of walking on volcanic sand is unforgettable. Yellow River, Iceland. Iceland's Yellow River, or Arstathara, flows through the north. Unlike most rivers in Iceland, it has a golden yellow color. This comes from minerals in the soil and geothermal activity. The river runs through rocky landscapes, grassy fields, and small waterfalls. In autumn, the yellow color blends with golden leaves, creating a beautiful sight. The water is clear but sometimes tinted by iron-rich soil. It is not as famous as Iceland's big rivers, but locals know it as a peaceful spot. It is a great place for hiking and photography. Both Black Sand Beach and Yellow River show Iceland's unique nature. One is shaped by fire, the other by minerals. Both are worth visiting for their beauty and mystery.